Hey, we're here to talk about the Owala FreeSip. This is a 24-ounce one. I just finished a 4-week overlanding trip, and this is what I drank out the whole time. I got the Surf's Edge because I love the color combo, and mainly I bought this so I could have a souvenir of everywhere we went. So it is a sticker-friendly surface, which I was really worried about. Some of you might have that question whether or not it's sticker-friendly, but these stickers have been on, some of them for 4 weeks, some of them for 1 week, because I collected them as we go, but it worked. It worked great. So it's a kind of a unique, fun way to use your Owala bottle. And it has all the features we love, like all of them do, where this is great. I was hooking carabiners on here a lot on our trip, and it made it really portable for everything we did. And of course, it is 100% leak proof. As we all know, nothing ever comes out of them. And it's got the flip, and you can drink from a straw or you can just chug it. Now, do not close your lips around this and chug it, because my husband did that and everything got all over him. Your lips go here for drinking from a straw, but you need to open your mouth wider and cover more of this, like this, for taking a swig. Just a little tip. It's available in tons of addictive colors, and I'm already eyeing a few more. So, highly recommend this bottle. Oh, and things stay cold forever. Ice in here will be in there, little remnants of it, 24 hours later, trust me. So, highly recommend it if you need a leak proof metal water bottle that is sticker approved.